The next concept is teaming. You may want to pause the video and solve these yourself. Look at the first question now. Total number of ways 9 factorial, out of which 3 teams are of 3 members each. So we need to divide 3 factorial times 3 factorial times 3 factorial. But then imagine the 3 teams are identical. If these are the 3 teams, if these 3 friends come here and these 3 friends come here, it's not a new case. But in our calculations so far, the 2 have been taken as 2 different cases. So this entire answer should be divided by 3 factorial, because the 3 teams are not unique, as they are identical in size. They are the same. Another way of looking at this would be that out of 9 people, for the first team, 3 have been selected. So 9C3. 6 remain. So 6C3. Now 3 remain. So these 3 select themselves in one way. Then once again, since the 3 teams are identical in size, they each have 3 members. The entire value should be divided by 3 factorial. Mathematically, the value would be the same, whether you solve it this way or you solve it this way. So simply, the answer is 9 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 3 factorial times 3 factorial, and then division by an extra 3 factorial, which is important. Look at this one now. 9 factorial, so triple 2 and 3. But then again, see, out of these 4 teams, 3 are identical. So we need to divide this entire expression by another 3 factorial. Why? Because out of these 4 teams, 3 are identical in size. So we need to divide by 3 factorial. If all 4 were identical, we would have divided the entire value by 4 factorial. Next, 3 teams of 2, 3, 4 respectively. Now, see, the 3 teams are unique. They have different number of individuals. Therefore, this is the answer. You don't have to divide this by anything else. Next, the last case. See, this is a very interesting question. 9 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 3 factorial times 3 factorial. Although the teams have equal number of members, they have to work on different projects. There are 3 projects, A, B, and C, and there are 3 members working on each. Now, if these friends swapped positions, these 3 friends working on project C and these 3 friends working on project A would be a new case. Therefore, we should not divide this value by anything. This is very much the answer. So a very interesting concept, this. Please watch this part of the video once again and attempt these 4 questions. I would say only 1% of the students are able to solve all the 4 questions on this slide in the first go. So please watch it carefully and attempt the questions all over again. This was the concept, friends. GMAT shots are deliberately kept brief. For an elaborate explanation, please watch the Stage 1 conceptual videos in our program. Thanks for watching.